Hello guys, good day. So it's me again, Chief Miloy, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this time guys, I have another videos na isi-share ko sa inyo. This is about the overspeed trip of our generator engine. So for those generator engine, the type is Daihatsu. So this is for you guys. Kasi itong ititest natin is Daihatsu engine. So ititest natin yung overspeed by means of simulation. So pababaan natin yung RPM ng generator engine natin base doon sa simulation na gagawin natin, and then the generator engine will trip, no? So itong mga safety device na ititest natin guys, this is routine, no? Ginagawa ito every 3 months na tinitest natin yung lahat ng mga safety devices na mayroon tayo dito sa ating engine room. So ito guys, titest natin yung tatlong generator one by one, no? Tanggalan natin ng load yung isa, then yun yung walang load yun ititest natin. Then after that, ay lagyan naman natin ng load yung isa, then tanggalan natin yung isa yung ititest natin. After that na matapos natin yung tatlong generator by overspeed trip. So after that guys, ititest na rin natin yung safety device doon sa lube oil natin, no? Itest natin yung low pressure trip. So magti-trip yung generator pagka nag-low pressure yung lube oil natin. Then next is yung jacket cooling low pressure. So yung jacket cooling natin guys na low pressure, hindi ito magti-trip, mag-alarma lang. So ang magti-trip dito guys is yung high temperature. So na-upload ko na ito guys, nakuhanan ko na ng content on how to test the high temperature or what is the procedure on how to test the jacket cooling high temperature. So this time guys, sana witness nyo or samahan nyo kami sa pag-conduct ng test ng safety device of our diesel generator engine. So come on guys, and let's go to engine room. Ipasok lang.
Pasok tong tres. Tapos kaya puno ulos yung testing na atis lahat lang ito na yung testing na hindi naman nag-testing na tayo.
Lahat tayo na. Tanggalan na lang ng load. Yan o doon. So this time guys, while preparing yung generator natin, you can select which unit yung kailangan natin i-test. So saan yung unit na unahin natin i-test. So of course, kasi tatlong generator yung may load, so tanggalan muna natin ng load yung generator na i-test natin yung mga safety device. So yung na-prepare natin na generator guys is yung generator number 2. So natanggalan natin ng load yung generator number 2 natin. Next, magkakandak na tayo ng overspeed trip ng generator engine natin. Sige, Tart.
Actual RPM 900. Setting RPM to alarm setting to 1020. Press F until 12. Alarm value 1020. Press S for 3 seconds. Set the alarm value to 900. Press S for 3 seconds. Hold for 3 seconds. Click F 2 times.
Actual RPM. Actual RPM sa 899.
899.
Release natin.
Now, generator number 2 trip.
Trip. Actual RPM 0.
The DG number 2 overspeed trip is displayed in the alarm display panel of the engine control room. Proceed to engine side. To reset the generator engine, put the lever at stop position and switch to local side, and again put the lever to run position, and the generator engine is reset. Acknowledge alarm. Acknowledge alarm.
Knowledge. Tapos history. Alarm. Okay. Knowledge.
History.
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 Trip.
Restart.
Start na siya. Recovered.
Recovered.
Already recovered.
Dito na ulit yan. Balik mo lang sa...
X. Back to normal setting. Back to normal value.
From 900 back to 1020 RPM setting. Actual RPM 0. Set. Press F until number 12 blink. Alarm setting 900. Now setting to 1020. Press S and hold for 3 seconds. Now right click F 2 times.
Actual RPM.
Actual RPM 0.
Next, safety device. After confirming that all alarm is already resetted, put the engine to local side and run the engine at a local side condition. Now the engine is confirmed back to normal condition. So next is to test the safety device. So don't forget to put the switch to remote control position so that the safety device is activated during the testing. So the first to be tested is the jacket cooling low pressure alarm. So first is close the valve of the pressure transducer. After confirming that the valve is closed, next loosen the plug of the pressure transducer using the ratchet spanner to release the pressure, and then the alarm is activated. So the alarm now is confirmed is activated. So next is to back to normal position. Tighten back the plug and open the valve of pressure transducer. Next to test is the low boil low pressure trip of generator engine. So close the valve of pressure transducer and loosen the plug to release the pressure of the low boil, and then the alarm is activated. After the low boil pressure is completely released inside the pressure transducer, Now confirm the low oil pressure trip is activated. Next to this alarm is the revolution of the generator is back to completely stop condition. So guys, the safety devices of generator engine is completely conducted. So thank you for watching these videos. I hope these videos will help to learn or help to give you a idea on how to test the safety devices of our generator engine on board the ship.
Hindi na makakapit doon sa...
Okay na. Oh, done na, done. Safety device already done. Yeah.
Upload!
Upload na agad to.